Landscape pros know that time is the most valuable asset on the job site, minus your crew, of course. Quickly get what you need with the Scan to Cart feature, now available through the SiteOne mobile app. With Scan to Cart, you can find any product while in branch or back at your stockroom without having to manually search, meaning you can see what's in stock and what you can get your hands on sooner. To start, open the home screen. You'll now notice a barcode in the product search bar. Once you launch the scanner, you'll be given 3 options on how to use it. The traditional barcode scanner takes you to the product detail page to learn more. Scan to List, like the name says, streamlines list creation by adding items directly to your list. Once a product is added, click Continue Scanning to quickly add everything else you need. With Scan to Cart, you can create new orders in a flash. Simply scan the barcode, build your order, then select Pickup or Local Delivery. Spend less time searching for what you need and more time on what truly matters with the SiteOne mobile app. Download it from your app store or learn about other time-saving features at siteone.com/online.